Hi all, welcome to Pradev's channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. In this video, we will look into the best oximeter in the market. So there are different oximeters in the market but we don't know which is good and which will give correct readings. So I did look into different oximeters and their features and also the different reviews from other people. So let's check which is the good and best oximeter in the market. Before looking into the oximeter, so let's understand why it is very important and also it is recommended by the doctors to have a oximeter at home. So because of COVID situation now, right, like we don't know who has impacted, and also if someone is infected by the COVID, so it's recommended by the doctor, right, they have to stay on home quarantine, and it's very important they have to check their oxygen level every other 2 hours or every hour is also good to make sure that, right, the oxygen level is in the normal range. To install the battery, you need to remove the back cover. Just push it and you should be able to remove it. And once you remove it, right, so batteries are provided in the box. So yeah, make sure you properly install the batteries. If not, right, it may impact the device. Before we see how to use the oximeter, so I would recommend better read the manual, because that has really very good information regarding the device, how to use it and what are the things you should know before using it. So let's see how to use this oximeter. To use this oximeter, so open the clap from the back and press it, and place your any of the finger and press on the power button. So once you place the finger, so it will start showing you the reading, your oxygen level. If you see my oxygen level is 98, and also it will show the pulse rate, where like it will be changing depending on how you move and your pulse. Important to note before taking the readings, so make sure your finger is clean and also the device is clean, and also, right, if you have a nail polish, even that can give a incorrect reading. So just that you are aware, so the normal range for oxygen level is 95% to 99%. So anything less than that, so will be an risk, so it is better to contact your doctor. And the normal range for pulse rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. So let's check on my review on this. So this device is really well made and it's very easy to use, and I've tested this multiple times, received accurate rating. I didn't see any issues there, and also it's very fast reading. So once you place your finger, you get the reading within seconds. And this comes with a carry case where you can store the oximeter, and this is really lightweight, portable and convenient to use. I highly recommend this oximeter if you are planning to buy. So go with this, and this is really good and it's very well made. If you like this video, Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.